Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to borrow money on Chime using the SpotMe feature. First, log into your Chime account using the Chime mobile app or the website. Once you're in, navigate to the SpotMe section. SpotMe is Chime's feature that lets you overdraft your account up to a certain limit without paying any fees. Next, check your available SpotMe limit. This amount depends on your account history, how often you choose Chime, and other factors. If you have a limit available, you can request to borrow money by selecting the amount you want. After that, carefully review the terms and conditions for using SpotMe. Make sure you understand how repayment works and if there are any restrictions. Once you're ready, simply confirm the transaction and the borrowed funds will be added directly to your Chime account. From there, you can use the money right away for purchases, bills, or withdrawals. And that's it. That's how you borrow money on Chime with SpotMe. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.